Exceptional. The best time I had was here. Awesome. Clean, friendly, comfy, great place to stay. Exceptional. Top, very quiet homestay, perfect if you want to relax. Near everything, and easy to rent a bike or book a bus directly at the homestay. Very good breakfast, and rooms are clean. Lovely homestay with helpful host. The rooms are large and really clean, there is very hot water in the shower. Breakfast is really tasty and the host is super helpful. I would definitely recommend this homestay. It is also in a great location. Perfect stay. Dan, the owner, updated my room on arrival for no extra fee. I had health issues and he was so helpful, always checking if I was better. Yummy breakfast and very clean rooms. Recommend. Best homestay in Tam Coc. Very beautiful place, near restaurants and tourist spots and budget friendly. Also, Mr. Dan is very helpful all throughout our stay, smiley face. The best place in Tam Coc. The place has it all. It is clean, it's calm, is comfortable, and the beds are nice. But the best is Dan. He is really helpful. He guides you through all the activities you can do, according to your time as well as your physical state XD. I will always recommend this place. Was a breeze of fresh air in Vietnam. Very friendly homestay. The owner was very friendly and was very helpful. He took care of everything immediately. The room was big enough and clean. The bed was also very comfortable. Nice place to stay, nice place, nice people, 100% recommended. You can get everything here. They will arrange everything for you. Finally, Tam Coc rice fields is best place to stay. No doubt in that. Mr. Dan is awesome. Mr. Dan made our stay comfortable and smooth sailing, giving us recommendations and booking tickets for us. Facilities were clean and good. Friendly staff. I really love this hostel. It was quiet and close to the town. The staff was really helpful. The lady not only gives you a map but writes on it what to do, how much, when to do it and how long it'll take you to do. This was really helpful in deciding what to do and when. You can rent bikes and motorbikes from the hostel. She also helped me book a bus back to Hanoi and walked me from the hostel to the bus stop, then waited for me to get on the bus before she went back. The rooms were comfortable and safe. The little dog that lives there is super sweet and hangs out with all the guests. Definitely recommend. Great hostel with great staff. I came 4 a.m. and stayed in the hostel. She counted that as an early check-in, which was very nice surprise. Clean, good breakfast, good location, fantastic people working. Cannot complain about anything. Great hostel. Thank you. Excellent. One of the rare places I've stayed at in Southeast Asia where literally everything is perfect. I highly recommend. You cannot go wrong. Good place to stay in Tam Coc. Everything was good. The staff was also very helpful and kind. We couldn't witness the beautiful rice field view due to construction work. Friendly and helpful staff, good location. Mama is so friendly and helpful during our stay. We enjoyed our time here. Breakfast is good as well. Tam Coc Rice Fields Homestay turned out to be one of the best accommodation during my mates and my trip. Knock, I hope I spelled your name correctly, and her family are gorgeous. They made every effort to make our stay that little bit better. Rooms and showers are very clean. The included breakfast is very good and they serve a variety of food. Would definitely stay here again. It's the most incredible hostel I've ever seen. Pristine state, incredible beauty room and place, tasty breakfast, and so crazy friendly stuff. I'm in love with this hostel. Strongly recommend.